Dear friends, welcome back to Ekit Media. We all have a mosquito bat like this in our house. This will be batting condition 5 to 6 months after the purchase. No matter how much you charge, this red light will only shine and not a single mosquito will bite. Let us test the power of this bat as follows. This bat I charged for an hour. I have pressed this on button. What will this bat do next? Normally we would throw this bat away like this, but now we have get rid of this bat, we can repair this bat ourselves at home. Yes, today we will see how to repair the mosquito bat at the home. It only cost just 30 rupees to repair this bat. All you have to do is buy a battery like this. This battery available at the electronics shops. This bat is damaged when the battery is weak. Let us now see how to replace the battery. This bat bought for 250 rupees should be discarded. Let's open this bat now. For that we need a star screwdriver like this. There are only 4 screws on the bat. If you spend just 30 rupees and become a new bat again. Now you have to be very careful to open the exterior portion. It should be kept open to prevent damage to the contents. Very careful to open. Look, there's already electronic circuit board and only a battery. Let's first remove the battery. Oh sorry, this charging pin on the tip should be removed first. This is just a molding pin. Now that battery can be taken out as simple as this. Always pay attention to these wires. Color wires are used to prevent the positive and negative. Wires from tuning back and forth. Here red wire is positive and green wire negative. Now we can disconnect these wires from the battery using this soldering iron. Now this new battery can be fitted here. Never let the positive and negative go back and forth. This red mark or this plus mark is positive. The next is negative. This is a soldering paste. This paste will help us to do the soldering smoothly. Now take the summlet and solder the red wire here. Solder the next green wire in the same way. Okay, that's how it works. Now the soldering iron is switched off. Okay, now reset the bat very carefully like this. Just press the battery here. Press and hold. This charging pin again everything is a molding type. And special care must be taken with the wires, or when screwing the cover, the screw will get in the wire, and the wire may break, and then all the work we have done will be useless. Okay, close the top portion. Now tighten the screws. We spent just 30 rupees in a very short time. See how new the mosquito bat is ready! Now let's test this bat as we did earlier. Wow, shine the LEDs. Test the scissor. Oh, Good power. If you charge for an hour, you will have good power. See, already has good power. Okay dears. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you found this video useful and press the bell button too. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye dears.